Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise. Gardening does not only lifts our physical performance but is also good for mental health. Gardening acts as a tool in combating loneliness, which is common nowadays. People often complain about social issues, so engaging in the activity of gardening can sort out this problem of loneliness. Gardening is a physical activity that requires minimum weight to lift in buildings our body. Gardening can be a hobby of everyone, where we work, toil, sweat, and relax. It has a lot of offers to us, from physical to mental, if we really want to work with nature. Gardening is a branch of horticulture. Gardening is also considered as a therapy that is our body increasing the happy hormones level. Gardening help us to grow the vegetables that are sufficient for us our need. Gardening is no more just a hobby to do. Gardening requires several activities, from planning or planting. In order to design our own dreams garden, we must have knowledge of different activities involved in garden. Though gardening sounds simple to incorporates a lot of complicated to deal with, just like to enhance to the beauty of our garden. As the many stage of gardening, the vegetables in the garden can be broadly divided into roots vegetables, leaf vegetables, herbs, and fruits. Roots vegetables are plants that store the edible portion or as root under the soil. The root vegetables gardening can be easily done in spots of directly into the soil. Similarly, leaf vegetables are plants that consist of leaves as their edible part. They are usually to the grant leaf of the shrubs, while the other two vegetables like fruits and herbs are used primarily for consumptions, medicinal beneficence, spice, dyes, and natural cosmetics items. Gardening of all these vegetables. Thanks for watching.